Hello. Good evening, Dayung.
Morning.
How are you today?
Good.
Very good. And did you go to school? Oh, where are you? Did you go to school today? Yes, and how is the weather?
It's fun.
It's sunny. Oh, nice. Sunny day. And what about dinner? Did you eat dinner?
Yes.
What did you eat?
It's nice. Kim Jong-un.
Oh, Kim Jong, kimchi,
Broccoli.
broccoli. Thank you so much for answering my questions. Now let's proceed with our warm-up game for tonight. And it's gonna be... Yes, I have minions here. So today's game is... Guess who? Who are the minions? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Can you choose a number? What number do you want? Oh, I will click. Teacher will click. What number? Choose a number.
1.
Number 1. Okay, so number 1. Who is he? Who is he?
Who?
Very good. That is correct. And yay! Good job. Let's choose another number.
Number 2.
Number 2. Who is she?
She is Japanese.
Okay, that is correct. So we have here, yay! She is a student just like you. You are also a student. What's your next number? What do you want next? 3, 3, 3. Okay, so for number 3, who is he? Hello. And that's correct, Dayung. Let's choose another number.
Number 4.
Number 4. Number 4. Who is she? Oh, she is correct. She is a teacher. Good job. Next one, let's do number 5. Oh, who is he?
He is doctor.
Yay, correct. Very good. And finally, last number. Who is she?
She is nurse.
Good job. So very good. You know them all. And that's it for our warm-up game. Now here is your prize. Ta-da! And good job, Dayung. Well done. Now let's continue with our lesson. It's all about jobs. So you have identified the people in our warm-up game. Let's review each one. So number 1. Oh, can you say it again? Oh, what's doctor?
Teacher. Student. pirate too.
Very good. Let's continue this activity. We have already practiced using these patterns for 1, 2, and 3. Can we say it again? So number 1, he's a doctor. He isn't a nurse. Can you say it?
Doctor, he isn't a nurse.
That's correct. Number 2,
He is a nurse. He isn't a doctor.
good job. Number 3,
He is a teacher. He isn't a student.
good job. Let's continue with 4, 5, 6. Number 4,
She is a student.
she isn't.
A teacher.
Good job. Number 5,
He is
she is.
pilot.
She's a pilot.
He isn't a cook.
Okay, she's a pilot. She isn't a cook. And last, number 6,
She is a cook. She isn't a pilot.
correct. So she's a cook. She isn't a pilot. Very good job. Now for our next pattern here, this time the question is he a doctor? Yes, he is. Is she a doctor? No, she isn't. She's a nurse. Okay. Can we try that? So number 1, how do you ask your question? Is
She a doctor? Yes, she is.
correct. Is she a nurse?
No, isn't.
She isn't. Oh, can we say that again? No, she isn't.
No, she isn't.
She's
She's a doctor.
very good. She isn't because she's a doctor. Number 2. What's your question?
Is she a
Oh, is he?
doctor?
Is he a doctor?
No, she isn't.
Oh,
She
he,
is nurse.
he. He is a he. One more time. Is he a doctor?
He a doctor? No, he isn't. He is a nurse.
That's correct. Let's continue with number 3. What's your question?
Is she a teacher? Yes, she is.
Is she a student?
No, she isn't. She is a teacher.
Very good. And number 4.
Is she a teacher? No, she isn't. She is a student.
That's correct. And number 5. What's your question?
Is he a pilot? No, he isn't. He is a cook.
Oh, what is he cooking? What's that food? It's
Burger party.
hamburger. Oh, we will throw like that. Oh, yummy. And finally, number 6. What's your question?
It's he cook? No, he is that. He is a pirate.
Yes, good job. So don't forget doctor,
Nurse, teacher, student, pilot, cook.
yay! We will continue this lesson next class. Make sure you practice making sentences. Okay? High five! And good night. Good job. Bye. Thank you.